Hello everybody, Nick here with Scoggin-Dickey again. Now this week's tech video is something a little bit special. See, me and my producer Dane here, we are on the road and we are at Atlanta Dragway for an NMCA event. Now, we couldn't film anything back at the office, so we decided to film something here. This is pretty special. Chevrolet announced last year a drag program for their 6th gen Camaro. And here we have some of the parts on one of these cars. For instance, this 2SS loaded Camaro comes with headers, exhaust, a torque converter, new half shafts, and even these sweet weld racing wheels that you can get through Chevrolet Performance, and it is all through them in a drag development program. Now let's take a look at some of the stuff on this car and see what makes this thing run so quick. Now, like I said, this has a few goodies under the hood. Under here is some all stainless steel racing headers, long tube headers that go into a Chevrolet Performance exhaust. And as you can see here, this silicone tube going to a custom airbox also helps out with the airflow. Man, these weld racing wheels offered by Chevrolet Performance are pretty sweet. We're running 18s in the front, and with a Chevrolet Performance supplied rear brake kit, you can run 17s in the back, so you can get some really great slicks like these Hoosiers on. Now, all these parts for Chevrolet's drag prep program is available through us here at Scoggin-Dickey. Don't think you have to buy a base model Camaro to get some of these parts on your car either. This here's a 2SS that's pretty loaded out on the inside, so much so, even has remote start and keyless entry. That sounds good. We appreciate you guys stopping by for another one of our tech videos this week. Make sure to stay tuned next week for another one. I think we're gonna go watch some racing. Have a good one.